This is the diatonic scale in the key of C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, the main scale. The fourth and the seventh are where the half steps occur. They are eliminated to make the pentatonic scale. 5 tones. Same notes, just 2 missing. These are all the C notes on the neck. These are all the C's and A's on the neck. Not counting opens. These are all the C's, A's, and G's on the neck. C's, A's, G's, and E's. C's, A's, G's, E's, and D's, thus making the CAGED system of pentatonic forms, fingerings, grips, boxes, whatever you want to call it. This is the C form. This is the A form. The G that everybody knows, it's the only one they know. The E. And the D.